In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Google Drive. We'll start right inside your Zoho CRM account, and for this process, you'll need to be logged in as an administrator. That's important because only admin users have the permissions required to install extensions and manage which users can access them. So go ahead and sign in to your Zoho CRM with an account that has admin rights before you continue. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the Zoho CRM interface for the setup area. This is usually represented by a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the setup menu. From here, you'll see several configuration options, but the one we're interested in is Marketplace. Hover over or click on Marketplace and then select the All option. This takes you to the central hub where you can find and manage extensions that connect Zoho CRM with other tools. On the Marketplace page, you'll see a search bar. In that search bar, type Google Drive and press Enter. A list of related extensions will appear, but you want to make sure you select the official Google Drive extension for Zoho CRM. Taking a moment to confirm that it's the official one helps you avoid installing anything outdated or unsupported. Once you've opened the official extension page, you'll see an overview of what it does and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click the Install button. A Terms and Conditions window will appear. It's a good idea to at least scan through this so you understand what level of access the extension will have to your CRM data and your Google Drive. After reviewing, click to agree to the terms and then choose Continue to install. At this stage, Zoho CRM will ask you to decide who in your organization should have access to the Google Drive extension. You can assign it to specific users, particular profiles like administrators or sales reps, or simply make it available to all users. Think about how your team works with documents. If only a few roles actually need to attach or manage files from Google Drive, you might restrict it to those profiles for better control and security. Once you've made your selection, click Confirm. That's it for the installation part. You've successfully set up the Google Drive extension inside Zoho CRM, and your selected users can now start using it to link, manage, and share files directly from their CRM records.